Hi guys, today we're gonna get a little bit crafty up in here. So I've been thinking lately and I need a new hobby. So I've been looking up hobbies online and I think my calling in life is to press flowers. So it was recently Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day nails, the roses. My roses from Valentine's Day, they're dying and I want to preserve them and just give them eternal life. So ladies, I'm gonna teach you, well actually I'm not gonna teach you anything. I'm gonna be like doing this for the first time. Here's the supplies I gathered to create my amazing masterpiece. We got a Black and Decker iron, wax paper. I'm going to need a towel, a picture frame. I picked this one up from Target. Then you have your Valentine's Day roses. If you didn't get roses for Valentine's Day, I have two things to say to you. Either one, you should have bought them for yourself because treat yourself. And two, if your boyfriend didn't get you roses, kick him to the curb. I'm just kidding, maybe. I guess we'll just start this because I really don't know what I'm doing. I thought it'd just be fun to make a YouTube video out of it. So yeah, you also need a book, so I'm gonna take this mindfulness journal that I've never ever used and I've had for like 5 years. Here goes the first chop. Off, and now I'm just gonna close it in the book to flatten it. So while that's flattening, I'm going to get out a piece of wax paper, according to this YouTube tutorial. Thank you, let me give a little shout out. Bits and Odds. Shout out Bits and Odds for this tutorial. A bunch of them fell out. Oh, I guess I should probably like plug the iron in. Let's go ahead and listen to the master, Bits and Odds. We'll listen to the masters. I've never used an iron in my life. Okay, we might need the directions. Just come on, get over here. Okay, so let's just, that did not work. We may need some more heat, maybe like 30 seconds. I don't know if I just like missed it because I didn't watch it all, but she didn't tell us how long to put the iron on for. Maybe this is just gonna be me trying to figure this out myself. Also, it's beautiful weather outside. And by that I mean, it's 40 degrees and that's some beautiful weather right now here in Nebraska. How do I know when it's like ready? You know, with arts and crafts, there's no wrong way of doing things. As Bob Ross said, every mistake is a happy accident, I think. That's what he said. Oh yeah. Bob Ross says, no mistakes, just happy accidents. And I'm pretty sure like my 6th grade like teacher told me that God said that. But I did go to a Catholic school, so yeah, what? I swear to God, she told me God said that. No, Bob Ross said that. Bob Ross is the closest thing we have to God. Wait, actually, he died. Never mind. You think this is ready? Doesn't look, this is harder than I thought. It doesn't look like it got pressed at all. This is taking forever. I didn't know this was gonna be time consuming. I thought it would take like 10 minutes and I'd be done. Like when it's all the way flat, is it done? Because I read online that if you don't do it like all the way and it's not done, it will grow mold, and I don't want mold in my house. What? I've been recording for 18 minutes and I haven't even gotten one done. I didn't know this was gonna take so long. Bits and pieces, or Bits and Odds. Bits and Odds lied to me. Okay, maybe this is just like too thick. Maybe I need like a t-shirt. What if the book just caught on fire and then the video ends with me having to call 911? That'd be a great video. That'd be great. Clickbait. Not clickbait. That wouldn't be clickbait because if it actually happens, but that'd be good for the views. That is not good enough. Now that's good enough for me. We'll set it right there. First one done. That took forever. I'm scared for the roses. I forgot to mention, if If you see these leaves that look like someone ate them, someone did, and it was my cat, so ignore those. Just know it wasn't me that eats them. So we're just gonna press all of these while I'm ironing this one. Ooh, I have a class in an hour, so this video might need to be paused for a short math break, because math is really just important in my life column of pressing flowers. Like, we have to like calculate like the slope and stuff of the flower to get that perfect flat flower. So actually I'm changing my major to flower pressing. This part, need to be really careful. It smells bad. What? Is burning wax paper like toxic at all? That's pretty flat, wouldn't? I think I should do this off camera because there is not really much going on. So I'm gonna finish these ones off camera and I'll be back for the main events, the roses. BRB. Okay, here is the progress I have done. I also did a leaf. So let's move on to the roses. So I guess they have also professional garden shears. I just have Westcott titanium scissors, kitchen scissors. This looks hard. We have to cut it in half. It says, hold it like this. I feel like I'm destroying nature right now. Oh, no one told me it was gonna be this messy. Okay, here goes nothing. Anything, we could just take the petals and press them. If this doesn't quite, my room is gonna be a mess if this doesn't work out. Here we go.
2 hours later.
Ow, it's really hot. Does that look? That looks terrible, but this side doesn't look as bad. Not too bad for a beginner. It may be a mistake when it starts molding in 2 weeks because I might not have done it right. But we got a smaller frame. And let's see the artwork we can come up with. Okay, so this is the fun part. Let's turn this off before I burn somebody or something. You know, it actually didn't turn out too bad. It's actually kind of cute. Oh, come on, that's cute. Now, that's pretty cute. So we didn't do enough to fill up the big frame, but I think it actually turned out really good. I was kind of nervous. Now let's just hope it doesn't mold. But anyways, this is what you guys have been watching for thus far. Yeah, I'm gonna go hang it up in my living room. So cute. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle, destroy nature, and all the fun stuff we did today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.